Alright guys, we are here to unbox and test the new Mini Slash from Traxxas. Now this is a car that probably could have seen coming, you know, with the Mini Maxx and the Mini XRT. But you know, this was a mini version of Traxxas' arguably most popular vehicle. You know, the Slash. Of course, we got the Maxx Slash. So I guess the next logical step would be do a Mini. So we're going to open this thing right now. We want to test it. We want to bash it. Just see how this thing drives. It's pretty much same chassis as the Mini Maxx, Mini XRT. So probably not going to be any big surprises. And oh yeah, blue and yellow, kind of like a neon yellow. That looks really good. Put that down there. All right, so I got decorations for my daughter's birthday. But yeah, look at there. Get it out of the plastic. New RC smell. It's the best it's ever going to look. All right, guys, check it out. There we go. Let's get this down here a little bit. So there it is. And yeah, that looks really good. Yellow and blue. I like the design here with this kind of, I don't know, just kind of like woven design. It is a clipless body. It's on the sides here. Is it? Yeah. Kind of placed really close together. There and there. And there you go. Got a driver in there. And other than the shoulder control arms and drive shafts, this is pretty much looks very familiar if you've got the Mini Maxx or the Mini XRT. Very hard tires, and from what I understand, this is a kind of a new tire type. Instead of having like a really hard foam in it, there's actually like rubber ribs mounted inside here to go across to help from ballooning. And this is a really stiff tire. And of course, it's got the BL2S system. This is a 2S unit. So 30 miles per hour is what it claims out of the box. We're going to put that to the test. And yeah, this looks very familiar. Like I said, we've already seen this a couple times already. The bumpers are a little different. Obviously, it's got the, I think these are the Ultra Shocks for this. So pretty smooth. Yeah, it is a direct drive, just like the Mini Maxx. The Mini XRT has a center diff. This does not. So very much just like the Mini Maxx with this guy here. So also you get your battery and charger with it. Comes with a 3500 milliamp hour 2S battery, 7.4 volts. Of course, you got all your preload spacers, manual tools. Has the TQ radio, not the TQI, so no stability control, no Bluetooth. That's fine. This is just like most base Traxxas models, so right on par there. And yeah, so looks the part. It's got the name. Slash is very popular short course truck. So let's get the battery charged up, take this thing out for a speed run, a little bash session maybe at the skate park. Maybe get in some dirt and just see how this thing actually drives. Should be fun. All right, real quick, guys, I did want to show just how much bigger this Mini Slash is than the Mojave Grom. And I thought when this was announced, I was kind of thinking it'd be pretty much the exact same size. But no, it is substantially bigger and longer wheelbase than the Mojave Grom. So that's pretty interesting. Like I said, thought they're going to be like direct comparison. Not so much. But there you go. For what it's worth, anyway. All right, guys, got a battery charged up out here. We're not gonna mess around. We're just gonna get right to a speed run. Yeah, just make sure it's working. Good deal. Start. You know, advertises 30 plus. I haven't, never had a issue with hitting claim speed, and Traxxas usually is kind of on the mark. Yeah, servo's about the same as you get in the XRT and Mini Maxx. Yeah. Seriously? Out of range? Huh. That's a little unusual. Huh. There it goes. That's a little suspect. Huh? All right. Well, that was a little odd. I usually have no issues with range here in this spot, but yeah, these tires are pretty nice. Like I said, a really hard compound, but very easy to drive. That drives pretty good. Range, yeah. Let's see. Well, should be all right. I won't say that's probably 30 dead. Right on 30. Stop it. Yep, 30 on the dot. Not a mile per hour over. All right. Well. Well, it does what it says speed-wise. Now let's see how good it is bash-wise. Alright guys, at the skate park, will it bash? Yeah, this thing's a lot of fun out here on the surface. Loose sand, that's what it's made for. Oh, crashed it. Tumble. No worries. Oh, rubbing on something. Let's rub it on. What's that? Maybe rubbing on the bumper a little bit. Uh-oh, lost it. Oh, stuck in the grass. Alright guys, we've seen how it handles the skate park. Let's see how it handles some clay here. Oh yeah, this is what this thing was made for here. Run the bases. Oop. This thing drives really nice, guys. I'm not even going to lie. I was on the fence about this, honestly. But I am a big fan of short course trucks. I like the way they drive, I like the way they look. Yeah, this is nice. Bright color too. No, we don't hit the bases. Yeah, this thing's nice. Yeah, I like it, guys. Like I said, I wasn't 100% sure about it when it was announced, but it's kind of won me over a little bit, to be honest with you. Alright guys, so there it is, the Mini Slash next to the Mini Maxx, Mini XRT. I gotta tell you, I do like this truck a lot. If I was left up to buy just one of these three, I would buy the Mini XRT just because I like having the option of 3S or not. I mean, it's plenty fast. It's over 40 on 2S. Between the two, I prefer the Slash over the Mini Maxx. That's just my preference because I like the short course truck stuff. I like the way it drives. It's very nice. The Mini Maxx is fun for sure, but seems to land on his lid more often than his wheels. I will admit, coming from the Mini XRT and the 3S Arma Mojave Groms, it is a little hard to kind of go back to 2S, but I do think this thing can handle a 3S system just fine. Take the drivetrain out of the Mini XRT, and I think this thing would be a ton of fun. I wouldn't be surprised if we don't see a 3S version of this in the future, but yeah, let me know what you think, guys. That's going to do it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.